Hey, Dustin Tibbetts, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. I hope you'll check us out. This is our short video series called FinTips, where we just do really short tips to help you with one specific topic and then run away and let you go on your own. Well, I hope you'll check us out at Jazz Wealth. We manage retirement accounts and everything in between to help you stay on course, because a lot of people get excited by investing with good intentions. They get excited, they start trading some stocks, and then next thing you know, they go, I got this retirement thing. I'm just gonna bet it all on this sector, this index fund, this product, and I'm gonna hope for the best. Well, today, I wanna help take some of the fear out of investing for you, because so many of you will get fearful when the markets start to fall. We're actually doing a great class this week on how people think the opposite of what they should when the markets fall. But here's the problem. You go down a path of investing thinking, well, everything's good. I'm buying and selling stocks. I'm making money here. This is all good. But when things get a little tough, and they will get tough, then all of a sudden you get nervous. February 2018 was a great example. Jazz Wealth as a company got more customers than we ever did in any month because people became fearful. They said, wait a minute, I was making a lot of money. All of a sudden the markets get shaky. I don't know what to do. Dustin, you take over. So just remember, if you're investing on your own, this nice little towel over here that we send out to our customers when they ask for it says, the market recovers 100% of all declines 100% of the time. And what that means is you have nothing to worry about. If you're investing for the long term, make sure you're diversified. Make sure you have the right investments and know that you will recover. Everything will be fine. Just stay away from Bitcoin, stay away from pot stocks, stay away from all of the latest fads. There will be more, I promise. That's for your separate account. That's for your trading account where you have some money in there and you're just buying and selling to take risks. That's not for your retirement account. So many of our customers are traders. They like to buy and sell stocks, but they realize that their retirement is best left to someone who is statistically attached, not emotionally attached. See, we're statistically attached to your retirement. We invest in a way where we know what we're doing. We're going to get you there, don't worry. We are not going to buy and sell stuff simply because it's going through a losing period over the last few months. If statistically we're on the right track, we're going to do it. Now, if you want to invest and you want to trade Bitcoin and pot stocks and things, great, just do it over here, right? Take the fear out of your retirement by going and just having your own fun account. I love it. I love that our customers do that because it gives me a lot to talk about on our Closing Beat, the live show that we do every day at 5 o'clock. So to take the fear out of investing long term, just know that if you're invested correctly, you will recover 100% of the time. It is not my opinion. It is an absolute statistic. I cannot promise that you will recover from what Bitcoin has done. I cannot promise that you will recover from the volatility in pot stocks right now, but I can promise you, if we take a look at the market, invest correctly, you will be fine. So you have nothing to worry about. Keep your trading separate from your retirement. And if you need help with the retirement investing, we'll hope you'll consider us at Jazz Wealth. That's why we're here doing these videos all the time. I appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.
Why should you choose Jazz Wealth as your retirement or long-term investing service? Our portfolios are managed by us, not some faceless mutual fund manager. Our private classes will teach you everything about investing and getting your dough straight. Best of all, our fiduciary standard means your best interest comes before ours.